This is number 7, Youthful Replenishment Facial Oil for our face. After you continue using this, especially like after 4 weeks later, you will see your face like less fine line and wrinkles. After using this, it will visibly reduce fine line and wrinkles, and it will make your skin like healthier looking. This is one of pure and natural facial oil. We can use this facial oil in the morning and evening as daily of our skincare routine. Whenever we put in our skin, we can put 2 or 3 drops and massage gently all over the face. Number 7 facial oil is usually for dry skin or dehydrated skin. This number 7 oil is also combined with jojoba oil. Jojoba oil also good for skin. Continuing using this facial oil, your skin will look more smooth and firm skin. After using this, your face will be clear and nourished. So this is obviously one of good skincare product. We are concerning about our face, so we have to use some kind of good product for our skin. So I'm using this number 7 serum, and if you want to try, you can try for yourself and let me know how you feeling about this serum. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.